Introducing the 2024 Seat Tarraco, the ultimate combination of style, comfort and safety. With a sleek grey exterior, luxurious interior and top-of-the-line features like Bluetooth phone connectivity, cruise control and parking assistance, this vehicle is perfect for any journey. And with security features like ABS, auto handbrake and anti-collision systems, you can drive with peace of mind. Rest assured that this Seat Tarraco has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on how you can make this beauty yours today.